This is Rory. He felt stuck in a style rut with the same haircut and using the same products for years, so he came into Man For Himself HQ for a change. His brief was that he wanted to look professional yet modern, with a haircut that he could easily maintain and style at home. So watch on to see his transformation. Now, this is not a makeover, but it is about Rory finding the best cut, style and skincare for him. So to do this, I brought in Alan and Carly, both experts in their field and two people that I know would work really well with Rory's brief. Looking at his head and face shape, Alan decided that Rory's haircut should be strengthened by keeping it square on the corners of his head and making sure the length on the top and the sides were more uniform. Now this would make the whole style more conventionally classic. Bang on brief. After washing and conditioning Rory's hair, Alan sectioned it off, separating the top from the sides. He then started on the top, cutting a guideline in the front and sweeping to the back. This cut really was all about retaining the length in the top, but ensuring that it was versatile and easy to maintain. Now into the sides. For this classic style, Alan worked with scissors, again working from the front to the back. Above everything else, this cut is big on detail to really ensure that the hair sits perfectly. Now you'll remember from the consultation, Alan had decided to make the top and the sides of the haircut more uniform. So to do this, he connected them, keeping it totally classic. After connecting, he used clipper over comb to refine and buff out any excess weight in the sides before working down onto the neckline. Alan worked with Rory's natural hairline around the neck. Now you'll see that this soft graduation not only looks neat, but it will also increase the longevity of the cut. Now, if you enjoy men's hair, grooming and fragrance videos, make sure you hit subscribe right now and ensure that that bell button is on just to see all my videos as soon as they go live. I'll have loads more videos like this coming up, so don't miss them. And also let me know in the comments below the style of cut that you'd like to see. Now, it's all very good having a slick new haircut, but don't neglect your facial hair. Keep it neat just by using a low grade on your clippers or your trimmer. Remember, really, it's all about the complete look. We're celebrating 25 years of American Crew, so I've partnered with a brand to showcase some of their hero products. Now for me, this was the absolute perfect pairing for Rory, working with classic styles and products that really do deliver. Alan started by pre-styling using American Crew's alternator. This is a versatile product that can be used to prep or finish the hair. Spritzing into damp hair, Alan worked the hair up and back with a medium heat hairdryer and brush. The heat of the hairdryer not only helps to activate the product, but will also direct the hair. It was also at this point that he really worked the hair up and back from Rory's side part. Now you guys know the hair is always finished with a cold blast of air to seal that cuticle and up the shine. Now seeing how the hair was sitting, Alan used the detailers to work around the ears and onto the edges of the cut. He also cleaned up the facial hair on his cheeks using a straight edge razor. Back into styling, Alan sprinkled some of the American Crew Boost Powder into Rory's hair. Now this is actually one of my favorite products from the brand. It gives huge volume, lifting the hair directly from the root whilst making it look thicker. It's also a fantastic way to add texture and movement to your hair. And from there, it was on to a styling product. Now, this is a new release from American Crew. Their matte clay has a great hold and keeps the hair looking natural. It's also water-based, so not only is it easily applied, but you can also wash it out without any fuss. Alan worked a small amount of the product through Rory's hair to help add texture and to define the style. Now, if you want to see more about these products and loads more in pre-styling, styling, and finishing, you can head to Man For Himself's product pages. I'll make sure I link them in the card top right. And if you're also keen to get your haircut at Man For Himself HQ, click the Get Involved button in the card. So with a fresh cut and style, it was time to get Rory kitted out with a new skincare regime. Now you can see that Rory already has great clear skin, but I knew that Carly could introduce him to some new products that he'd love. So Carly first started with a consultation to check on Rory's current skincare routine, but also if he had any skincare issues. From there, she went about creating a routine with products that would work for him and his lifestyle. Starting with the Acumen face wash, Carly cleansed Rory's skin to remove the excess oil and dirt. From there, she used the Acumen Clay Exfoliator. Now, this product's not only an exfoliator to remove dead skin, but it can also be used as a face mask to draw out the impurities and also brighten the skin. Now, this was left on to dry before wiping off with a damp sponge. Onto the eyes, Carly used the Acumen Eye Energizing Hydrating Gel. Now, this is an oil-free formula to help reduce dryness and to improve the overall look of the skin around the eyes. It also helps to plump, smooth and tone, so no more puffiness. Now, a top tip from me is to keep this product in the fridge for an instant energizing hit in the morning. And into the final step, Carly used American Crew's Energizing Hydrating Gel. Now, I'm a big fan of gel products. They're easily absorbed, shine-free, and give the skin an instant boost of hydration. And for his evening routine, Carly gave Rory the Acumen Recharging Hydrating Cream. Now, this is the perfect night treatment or ideal for guys with normal to dry skin. And there you go, a professional yet modern haircut that's easy to style at home, and a new skincare routine to look and feel as good as he can. Make sure you check out the products in the description below and be sure to head to Man For Himself if you want to get involved. Thank you to Rory for coming in and to Alan and Carly for their time. Thank you very much for watching. If you're new to my channel and you've not yet pressed subscribe, then hit subscribe right now. The button is just on screen. And there's more video suggestions just under that, or head to manforhimself.com, again, linked on screen. But until my next new video, bye-bye.